Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. It is Wednesday, August the 5th, and we are at a bunch of stores. We haven't done this in a couple of weeks, but we are back. We have free Takis at Walgreens, free and cheap stuff at Dollar General, and just some really good deals at Meijer if you are from the Midwest. These are the three stores that we're talking about in this video. If you could please subscribe or like this video or hype it, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and this video specifically that sometimes doesn't get as much traction. It should, though, on a Wednesday. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much in advance. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is a free 8x10 photo. This ends class on, let me look it up, August the 6th. So you have today and tomorrow, so Wednesday and Thursday, to put in a photo order for an 8x10 print using the code FALL810, exactly as it's pictured there on the screen. Let me triple check. Yep, FALL810. One per store card. When you go pick up your order, put in your phone number in case a paper booster may print for you. Now, I'm going to let you guys know later, I think on Tuesday, all of the digital coupons, you could magically load them. On Sunday and Monday, depending if you're using an old-fashioned desktop computer or twirling around 18 times, this was a pain in the butt, but now you can load all the coupons and all the deals are magically working. This morning, Walgreens also gave us back the 15 back when you spend 45, and all these P&G deals. Is that top one just going to be like skincare and stupid stuff like that, or are they going back to lotion? Are they going back to like Tide and diapers? I think they are, because I think at the beginning of the week, it was such a bad launch to their sales week that they probably didn't get the sales that they wanted. So we'll have to keep an eye on that next Sunday and see where that goes, and load all of your P&G coupons in case some mystery stuff happens. But there's a whole slew of them. I didn't get a traditional booster, but I did get like a lot of P&G offers. So I think it's going to be a really good curbside week. And I know a lot of us prefer to shop that way. Let's get right into this for the free Takis. This deal goes right until August the 29th. And because it is items that are freshly stocked in store, such as Sprite and Takis, they will restock for you guys. Look for the items that are tagged. Somebody completely cleared my store. I couldn't even try if I wanted to. So I'm just going to tell you the best way to do this deal. These Sprites are 2 for $5 in the cooler. You have to pick them out of the cooler. And the Takis will be tagged as well for $5.29, and it's the 9.9 ounce bags. So you're getting a pretty significant bag of Takis with the purchase of a Sprite. And the Sprite has to be the 20 ounce as well. Every last Sprite was missing from the cooler at my store, so I couldn't test this out. But I did see several ladies on Instagram do this deal. The best way to do it is to grab 2 of the Sprites for $5. If not, you're paying $3.19 for one. And 2 bags of the Takis that are tagged for $10.58. Pay for the Sprite, get your Takis for free. The final price point here is basically the free Takis, or 5 for 4, or $1.25 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have that store coupon from the cough drop deal, because I know it's still ongoing. A lot of you were saying you were scoring it this week. I would use that, and then, you know, just get like all this magic for next to nothing. What a deal. And again, it's going on until August the 29th. So if your store is completely out of stock, they will restock. There are weeks until the 29th. So definitely be on the lookout if you like a crisp Sprite and, the spicy Takis. Okay, so we're talking about Chapstick again. I think this is another fabulous deal to do at Walgreens this week, making them 65 cents each for these singles that you can find at checkout. They're throughout the store as well. They're the ones priced for $1.99, and it's not the weird goofy flavors. It's like cherry, this plain one, just the plain Jane ones. And we have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon, this friend, that you will load. Over on IBOTTA, there's a progressive, I think it's like spend 10, get $1.75 back on this specific product with Fetch. Yes, it is. So if you have this rebate, photograph your receipt. I'm sure we'll do a deal with Suave or something else as the week marches on. But not bad. I mean, it's half of it, so I mean it's nothing to sneeze at. So grabbing 3 of these single tubes at $1.99 each, it's $5.97. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $1.97 for 3 or 65 cents each. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down at least $1. And remember to photograph your receipt to fetch rewards, because this is extra cash on the table for this transaction. Okay, now we're over at the Dollar General, and if you guys remember, I was talking about a clearance event in the last couple videos. This clearance event is still ongoing today, which is Wednesday, August the 5th, and all day tomorrow, which is Thursday, August the 6th. On the following Friday, the 7th, it's over, but you have until the 6th. A lot of us are buying like $25 of clearance merch utilizing this, because they gave us a Monday to Friday digital coupon of a one-time use as well. I did 3 different store cards, and I was getting my baskets for $1 to $2, so it was absolutely magical. I did this all on Monday, and it's all stuff that I'm going to use as well. It's not just a bunch of garbage. So really, really loving this Dollar General clearance event with the 5 off 25 all week long. Just so many deals to get. Now, I am going to let you guys know they did pull our digital coupon for the Chapstick mocktails. Again, we're talking about Chapstick. These are on clearance, I believe, for like $1 and some change, but 3 of them are $4.44. And there is a workaround to get this deal if you can find 3 of the mocktails. Over on checkout 51, there is a rebate at all the stores, $4 back when you buy 3. So their software is so specific that if you use any digital coupon, your receipt will get rejected immediately. So what I would really encourage and strongly recommend is that if you're going to do this on its own transaction, not buy like 100 different items in one transaction, because any coupon on the receipt, it'll get rejected immediately from checkout 51. But grabbing 3 of these mocktails until Thursday, it's $4.44. Submit for $4 back from checkout 51. It makes it 44 cents for the 3. Fantastic. And again, with the receipt, cannot show a single coupon. Do this one on its own so there are no issues. Other really cheap and free items include this 3-count of the Airwick Vibram. We have a $5 digital, making that completely free. It's $3.75 this one, or there's a blue one as well. And that Clairol is $3.43, I believe. We have a $3 digital coupon, making it 43 cents. So these were 2 items I was seeing a lot of, and I did stock up. Really happy about that. I'm going to show you the digital coupons. Here it is. Make sure you load them so you can participate, guys, because even if you have a couple hours to go to a store and look around, you need a bit of time to look around. If you're just going to go in there and say, there's nothing here, you won't find anything. But if you want to spend a little bit of time and really look around, yes, you will find stuff. In the regular aisle with all the allergy meds, I found this 60 count of the Nasacort that is on clearance, I believe for $5.54. We have a $5 digital coupon, making this 54 cents. Check the expiry dates. You don't want one that's really expired, but most of them expire in 2028 that I found. And here is the digital coupon that I used for this one. So, I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. Any way you slice the pie, just these last minute freebies. If you have time today, Wednesday or Thursday, get out to Dollar General. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is in the Midwest only. You either know if you have this store or not, and it's not a Kroger affiliate. Meijer is Meijer. The first thing we're going to touch on is this $4.99 trial size of the Downy scent beads. We have a $4 digital, making it 99 cents. You will find this on its own display. This is not part of the spend $50 to get 15 off with P&G products. It is excluded, but still for 99 cents, I would definitely buy this. This low-carb Breyers ice cream, it's called Carb Smart. If you're a diabetic, this does not affect me whatsoever. It's a really great product, especially in the hot summer months. It's $4.99. We have a $2 off M-Perk, so you would pay $2.99 for this product. Over on IBOTTA, there is $1.50 back with a limit of up to 5 times. So After this, it's basically like $1.49. So I would definitely stock up if you like this low carb ice cream. It's only the tubs, the bars or stick, the little treats like the fudgesicles, they are not part of it. Only the tubs. So the last thing we're going to talk about is the spend 50 to get 15 off on P&G items. And for this, I'm going to go for larger items, not like a little air care here or a little small thing here. I'm going to go for big ticket items. I think a lot of you like the big mamas. So this is what I'm going to do specifically. I'm going to grab one of these friends for $20.99. It's a 78 count of the Cascade. We have a $4 digital on this right now, and it's working with the spend 50 to get 15 off. You need to see this stack. Like, am I grabbing the right stuff? Yes or no? Open up your shop and scan as well to make sure that all these coupons are coming off for you guys. And then we're also going to throw in one of these, I think it's like $15.99 for this Tide Pod, and we have another $4. It's the 57 counter, so it's the large one. We're going big for this one. We're not getting the smalls, and we have a $4 off for this. The final item is a Gain liquid detergent. I had a family member ask for one of these, and I didn't even have it. I believe this is also $15.99, and we have a $3 digital for this friend. Again, open your shop and scan to ensure that everything is working out exactly as I'm describing it. This is your $3 digital that you're going to load, class. And then just to show you guys our chorus line that's absolutely gorgeous. And so the overall sum is $54.97, and then after all the coupons and the 15 off of 50, you're paying $25.97. I don't think this is a bad deal considering that box of Cascade alone is like almost $22. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.